what to do with them. Okay, now do something. Okay. I'll help you. This one is stickies. Okay, what else? Oh, you can like this one. Here, he wants it. He wants it. Here you go, honey. You little ball. What else?
What else?
This is something new. What's in that one? It's a pine cone. You try? I don't know what to do. So he chinned it. And this is from Bella.
Look out. Yeah, I gave that.
Yeah, you gave that to Charlie. And I like it too.
And now I get it. It's mine.
Alright, this is, here, let me give you your presents, and then there's a big one for both of you. You want to help her open, boy? She's getting started. Here you go. It's a pine cone. I'm waiting for the good one. The one at the end.
Where's the good stuff?
Some more stick.
More sticks
This
again.
is from Charlie. Whoa. Yeah, you want to help? Yeah, she's working on that one by herself. Yeah, good job, girl. Okay. This one's from Daddy. They all have name tags, I just forget. Here you go, you have all your own. And then we have the big present.
You already opened.
This is for me.
What is it?
Go ahead, girl. You can do it. I know something good is in there. Good girl.
Yeah, she's eating.
She's trying to get at what's in.
I'm going in.
All right, I'll help. Well, it is like a cage, so. Look what I got. Look what I got for you. What do you think?
There's a dog in there.
I like the wrapping paper
I
better.
like the paper better.
Well, they gotta check out the back. She wanted the paper. I want the paper.
Typical kid.
And she likes it. She's chewing on it. Yeah. Merry Christmas, guys. His head in there. He won't go in there for fear of being trapped in there, but
Is it open at the other end or only one side?
is she in the paper now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With Bella. With Bella. What was that?
The paper's hopping away.
Oh, Bella, you're so cute. Yeah, you like what Santa brought you?
Santa was good to me.